Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei MatePad SE to an Android device. First of all, open App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then click on Search bars on both. After that, you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other device, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. On an Android, in this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now on Huawei, you need to select Send at the bottom left corner. Sorry, misclick. Over here. Then click on Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, you need to tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Huawei. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, or select only chosen files by tapping on them. Then click on Send next to selected. Over here, just tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on Motorola, so on Android, next to Input key, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to enter this key though, you need to tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers, and then tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!